Welcome to the Farmhouse at Thorny Creek. This property is located on 20 secluded acres just north of Smithville Lake. The ground itself is a great mix of timber and open space as well as a creek. This house is a 7-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and was featured in not one but 2 home magazines. Let's step inside and you'll see why.